All right, so let's take a look at another cognitive service here, and this one is text analysis. And so what we'll do is install the Azure Cognitive Services language text analytics here. So we'll go ahead and hit run. All right. And once that's installed, this one actually is using the Cognitive Services credentials, so it's a little bit more standard with our other ones here. We'll go ahead and run that there. We'll make our credentials, load our client. And this one, what we're going to do is try to determine sentiment and understand why people like a particular movie or not. So I've loaded a bunch of reviews. They are, again, I can show you the data if it helps. And so I'm just trying to find my right folder here. And so if we go back, look at our movie reviews, here's like a review someone wrote. First Contact just works. It works as a rousing chapter in the Star Trek. To a lesser extent, it works as a mainstream entertainment. So different reviews for Star Trek First Contact, which was a very popular movie back in the day. So what we'll do is we will load the reviews. So it's just iterating through the text files and showing us what the reviews are. So here we can see all the written text. I had a lot of trouble getting the last one to display, but it does get loaded in. And so here we're using the text analysis to show us key phrases, because maybe that would give us an indicator. And so that's the object back, but maybe that would give us an indicator as to like what people are saying as important things. So here we see Borg ship, Enterprise, smaller ship escapes, neutral zone, travels, contact damage, co-writer, beautiful mind, sophisticated science fiction, best, whales, Leonard Nimoy, okay, wealth of unrealized potential, filmmaker John Franks. Okay, so very interesting stuff as it here. Borg ship again. You're seeing Borg ship a lot. So that is kind of key phrases. Let's go get customer sentiment or how people felt about it. Did they like it or not? And so here we just call sentiment. And what we'll do is if it's above 5, then it's positive, and it's below 5, then it's a negative review. I think most people thought it was a very good film. So this one says it's pretty low, 9. So let's go take a look at that one. It wasn't actually showing rendered there, so maybe we'll have to open it up manually. See if that's actually accurate. It's empty, so there you go. I guess we had a blank one in there. I must have forgot to paste it in, but that's okay. That's a good indicator that, you know, that's what happens if you don't have it. So let's look at number 1 then, which is, well, actually this one is 9. This is 04. This one here is 8. So we'll open up 8. When the Borg launched on Earth, the Enterprise is sent to the neutral zone, etc., etc. However, a smaller ship escapes travel. The Enterprise follows back. Meanwhile, the survivors. So, like, this is a synopsis. It doesn't say whether they like it or they don't, but it was just 04. I guess so. There's nothing positive about it, right? If we look at one that was, this one's pretty low, which is, no, it's not. It's 1. So it seems like this person probably really liked it. Or no, I guess that's actually pretty low because it's 1. It's not 9. 9's very high. Let's take a look at this one. Review number 2. If we go up here, the Doggo has improved the story of Monster in the show, but there's a wealth of unrealized potential. So that's a fair one, saying that maybe they don't like it as much. I don't know if they give it 2 stars, right? We could probably actually correlate it with the actual results, because I did get these off of IMDb and Rotten Tomatoes. But yeah, there you go. That is text analysis.